So thinking much larger instead of just the technical side, getting improvements in the flow, not in the flow, in the technical ability, right? If you focus on, you've got to do that. You've got to separate people and process. Always do that. You focus on the process as being the issue, not the person as being the issue. But you enable the person to be curious by putting the right tools in place to help them get the right information, get the right analysis, see the data, understand, maybe there's an opportunity, something there, and give them the ability to try. That's what drives the curiosity. Then people want to participate because innately people want things to be better all the time. That we don't walk in just taking something on that's not conducive. So I brought up the example of we were touring a manufacturing plant, and my sensei, Japanese sensei, we were observing the plant, and the line was running fine, and there was a rework station right below us. And the guy was following the standard processes of doing all the rework was there. He asked the question whether that guy was happy. And when he asked that, I didn't understand what he was saying. Well, he's doing his job. He's doing his job, right? Everyone was doing their job. But he made me think, and it wasn't until we read these flow stuff that really sunk in hard, is if we don't understand that that's not a happy position to be in, to do rework all day long is not a happy job. He may be excellent at it, maybe the perfect employee that fixes everything all the time. Just to do that all day long, fix somebody else's mistakes or a system or a process mistake is not a happy place. What we want to be able to do is drive that information and connections, so we drive process improvements to eliminate all those wastes. And then people would bring up the conversation about, well, you're eliminating his job. Well, if it doesn't make him happy, why have that job in the first place? Change it for another job that makes him happy. So that's kind of the thought process, and we know the technical side. We know the principles around driving process improvements, that processes enable behaviors. And those processes, if they're anchored in the principles, those are great. But if we don't take a look at the human side of it as well and make sure that we've anchored that, we will do the right things and we'll make improvements, but we'll struggle to sustain it because people aren't happy.